lightly, shake the dust off gently now, my sweet peanuts.
Wait a second! Something's not right down there.
Of course! They're burning energy but have no fuel. They need protein.
Protein? Tom, you're a genius! We have tons of protein. We can make them a super fuel snack. The core is critical. Lily, we need the bypass sequence before. Cascade failure in Sector 4.
Testing, testing! Is the quantum entangler entangled? Ah, Lily, my favorite feline innovator. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Listen, this peanut-powered protein bite is the answer to all our low-energy woes. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and look, it
Peanuts? Protein, molecular gastronomy. Of course. You need my Agrimorph 3000. Bring the legumes. Ah, perfect timing. My experiments require the finest legumes.
We made it, Dad!
A primary protein portal. In they go.
We did it! It's beautiful! Look at the colors!
The Agrimorph 3000 lives.
A peanut. All that commotion for a single peanut.
Silly me! I forgot the molecular binding agent. The viscosity is all wrong. We need honey, honey.
I thought we might need a little sweetness.
Just a little more. Yes! It works! It finally works!
Incredible! A perfect protein to carbohydrate ratio for maximum energy output.
And they're delicious!
It's gone completely haywire.
Look out! They're everywhere!
Get the basket, quick!
I'm trying.
Oh dear, watch out!
Whoa! Look out below!
Behold, the Peanut Butter Power Bites! A monumental success!
It's incredible, Doctor.
Let's go save Sports Day. All right, everyone, listen up. I know you feel defeated, but the spirit of this village rests on your shoulders. Let's show them what we're made of.
Yeah, wow, I feel amazing!
Let's go!
Wow, look at that throw!
She did it! Incredible!
Pull!
Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it!
All right, folks, this is it, the 4x100 relay final. Runners, on your marks!
Way to go! She did it!
Siguiente, por favor. Aquí tienes.
Oh, excelente. Dicen que son milagrosos.
¿Lo son?
Look at all the boxes!
What do you think is inside?
I hope it's toys.
Wow! Look at all the new equipment!
They brought soccer balls and jump ropes. This is the best day ever.
I told you this equipment would be a hit, Purry.
You certainly did, Whisker. Look how happy everyone is.
Splendid work, son.
Are the kittens all right this morning?
They seem a bit glum.
Eureka! What if we innovate? So the oats go in here, get compressed, and then shot out through the flavorizer.
Yes, exactly. And the vacuum seal ensures perfect crunch.
We need an expert.
Ah, fascinating. You wouldn't believe the reading I'm getting on the chronometer right now.
So if we combine the quantum stabilizer with the oat particles, the granola won't just be crunchy, it'll be dimensionally stable.
Granola! Fascinating! Fighting! You'll need the granola cluster module. Now, where did I put it? Ah.
Oh my God! It's incredible! The granola cluster module!
It's absolutely wonderful, dear.
Perfect! The Foodomatic is officially upgraded, Dad.
I still say a pitchfork is simpler.
Well, that's odd. All right, steady now. Just gotta pull. Whiskers.
A little less honey, a bit more heat. Success! This is incredible!
Best granola in the world!
Go on, Mr. Oats. It's the future of breakfast.
Let's see if this future tastes as good as the past. This is championship grade breakfast.
Sports Day needs a champion's breakfast!
We make a great team,
The stall looks amazing!
and the granola smells wonderful.
Welcome, everyone, to Sports Day. Be sure to try the best Berry Cat granola in the village.
Here you go, try a free sample. It's the best in the village.
Wow, thank you.
The best granola in the village.
It smells absolutely wonderful.
Get ready, everyone. On your marks.
Look at that energy. Go, go, go. Pull harder now.
We won! We won! Yay!
Great job, everyone.
With a touch of this sonic enhancer, the oats achieve peak resonance. Observe the mare's palate. It's quite extraordinary.
Berry Cat granola is now the official champion breakfast of the village.
Wow, we sold so much! Look at all these coins, Dad! That's my industrious little tinkerers. If we reroute the main irrigation pipeline using the coordinates from the holographic tablet, we can water 3 times as many crops for the community garden. By dedicating the granola profits, we can finally build a safe, beautiful jogging track right around the lake.
Yes, absolutely. That is brilliant. We agree. Wonderful idea.
We need that large stone right over here.
I got it, coming through.
Perfect fit. Keep up the pace, everyone.
And now, the moment we've waited for. Let's officially open the Friendship Trail.
Woohoo! Look at us go!
This is the best track ever.
We finally have a safe place to run.